Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create videos with Google Gemini. So first of all, go to Google and search here Gemini VEO3, or you can just write down Gemini Video Generator, and you will see the first website, Gemini AI Video Generator powered by VEO3. So make sure to open the first website, and from here just click on try VEO. And once you click here, you will be seeing this kind of interface. Like this is basically Gemini 2.5 Flash. And on here, you can see the option Canvas, Deep Research, and Video. And here's Generate Video with VEO3. And the most important thing is that you must have a premium account if you want to generate videos. As you can see, I have a pro account through which I am generating videos. And here is basically the subscription plan. As you can see, this is in my currency for 3 months, some kind of discount. So you can try or check what is like your price. So you must buy a subscription of your Gmail account for the premium Google AI. And once you buy the subscription, you can just go to Google Gemini and turn on this video feature. And once you turn on, as you can see, VEO3 Fast Preview bring ideas to life in 8-second video with sound. So basically, this can generate an 8-second video with sound. You just need to describe a scene. Let's say that I describe a scene like a cat walking on green hills in rainy weather. My prompt is not details, obviously, but if you just like explain the complete scene, like the complete prompt of what exactly do you want and what type of sound do you want, the raining sound, the cat mew sound, or like any other type of sound that you want. You just need to make sure that you give a proper prompt, and once you give a proper prompt, so you will be able to see the video. So once you see this interface, as you can see, like the video has been generated. So let me just play it. So as you can see, like the proper scene, the hills, the raining, the weather, the cat, everything, you can just explain the color of the cat as well. So make sure to add a proper detail and have a pro account of your Gmail or Gemini AI. And once you have it, just click on the video feature and you will be able to generate videos. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.